Hello there! Welcome to a brand new era in beauty, where self-expression and creativity are at the heart of every trend. Today, we're diving into one of the most talked about looks of the year, the big pout of 2025. In 2025, everyone's after a full pout, but it's not about drastic measures or chasing perfection. Instead, it's about celebrating individuality and having fun with your look. The full pout is everywhere, from runways to social feeds, but it's all about making it your own. The real magic? It's right in our makeup bags. With just a swipe of lipstick and a dash of creativity, you can transform your lips in minutes. No appointments, no needles, just you, your favorite shades, and a little imagination. People everywhere are experimenting with bold liners, shimmering glosses, and playful colors. It's a movement that encourages everyone to try something new, whether you're a makeup pro or just starting out. We've moved past complicated procedures and expensive treatments. Now, it's all about clever makeup hacks that anyone can master. You don't need to change your features, you just enhance what you already have. Think of it as sculpting with light and shadow, just like an artist in a studio. By playing with highlights and contours, you can create the illusion of fuller, more defined lips, no filters required. This trend is all about freedom and flexibility. You get to choose your look, plump and dramatic for a night out, or soft and natural for every day. The power is in your hands, and you can switch it up whenever you like. The best part? These popular tricks are simple and easy to share. Millions of people are swapping tips and tutorials, making beauty more accessible and inclusive than ever before. It's a community built on creativity and support. Ready to level up your lip game? Let's dive into the top lip lift hacks of the year. These are the techniques everyone's talking about, and they're easier than you think. We'll explore viral online sensations, from trending videos to step-by-step guides, and break down practical tricks you can use every day. Whether you want a subtle boost or a bold transformation, there's something here for everyone. From clever concealer techniques that define your lip line, to long-lasting finishes that keep your pout perfect all day, we'll show you how to get the look, no matter your skill level. Ultimately, it's about boosting your confidence and having fun. The big pout of 2025 is more than a trend. It's a celebration of what makes you unique. So go ahead, experiment, and create a look that's truly you. Let's start our adventure in lip artistry together. Because your perfect pout is just a brushstroke away. Let's explore the concealer method, a viral sensation. Use a lighter concealer to outline your lips, creating a dramatic illusion. The contrast makes lips pop, but it's tricky for everyday wear. It can look chalky in daylight, not the effect you want. This method is fun for photo shoots, but not practical for daily life. Not every viral trend suits real-world wear. It's theatrical fun, but let's find more practical tricks. Onward to subtler techniques. Here's a classic trick for a long-lasting pout: tissue and powder. Apply lipstick, blot with tissue, and reapply for a rich base. Then, dust translucent powder over tissue to set the color. This method locks lipstick in place, creating a velvety, full look. It's a reliable technique for any occasion, proving old ways work best. This method quietly delivers a perfect pout all day. It's practical, elegant, and works for everyone. Let's embrace this dependable beauty hack. On to the next. For glamour, try the gloss center hack. Apply lipstick, then gloss only in the center for a spotlight effect. This creates a fuller, more prominent lip look. The contrast in textures adds depth, like a dewdrop on a petal. It's versatile, working with any color for a juicy, plump look. A quick way to elevate your makeup for any occasion. Sometimes a dab of gloss is all the magic you need. Let's move on to choosing your everyday look. Ready for more? In 2025, beauty hacks are everywhere, like a sweet shop. Theatrical tricks are fun, but not always practical for daily wear. Practical techniques enhance subtly, like tissue and powder or gloss highlight. These hacks are reliable, making you look and feel your best. There's a shift towards mindful beauty, choosing what works for you. Celebrate your unique features, not a filtered version of someone else. Build a routine with practical magic that makes you shine. Try wacky trends for fun, but rely on what truly boosts you. Let's prep for the next step. Before you even think about color, it's essential to prep your lips to create the perfect smooth canvas. Just like an artist primes their canvas before painting, your lips need a little love and attention to help your lipstick look its absolute best and last all day. Start by gently exfoliating your lips. You can use a soft washcloth or a clean toothbrush to buff away any dry, flaky skin. This step helps to smooth out the surface, making your lips feel soft and look plump, so your lipstick glides on evenly without clinging to rough patches. Next, hydrate your lips with a nourishing lip balm. Let it soak in for a few minutes to deeply moisturize and create a supple base. Well-hydrated lips not only feel comfortable, but also help your lip color look more vibrant and fresh throughout the day. For extra staying power and to help your lipstick's true color pop, prime your lips with a dab of concealer or a special lip primer. This step neutralizes your natural lip color and gives your lipstick something to grip onto, so it won't fade or feather. Now, it's time for the fun part, choosing your perfect shade. Look for a color that complements your unique undertone for a polished, harmonious look. If you're unsure, try holding different shades up to your face in natural light to see what flatters you most. If you have cool undertones, blue-based reds and berry shades will enhance your natural glow. For those with warm undertones, orange reds, corals, and brick shades will look especially stunning and bring warmth to your complexion. Lucky enough to have neutral undertones? You can experiment with almost any color from soft pinks to bold plums, and they'll all look beautiful on you. Most importantly, pick a shade that makes you feel happy and confident. The best lipstick is the one that brings out your personality and makes you smile every time you catch your reflection. Remember, thoughtful prep and a shade that suits you are the secrets to a flawless professional finish. Take your time with these steps, and you'll notice a big difference in how your lipstick looks and lasts. Ready to unlock your pout power? Let's dive into the next step and see how you can make your lips truly stand out. We've explored 2025's lip trends, from bold statements to reliable classics and everything in between. This year, lips are all about self-expression. Whether you're reaching for a daring new shade or sticking to your tried and true favorite, your pout is your canvas. The beauty world is buzzing with creativity, and lips are taking center stage as a way to show off your personality and mood. The gloss in the center trick adds red carpet magic effortlessly. Just a dab of shine in the middle of your lips can make them look fuller, more dimensional, and instantly glamorous. It's a simple step that elevates any look, whether you're heading out for a big night or just want to feel a little extra special on a regular day. Beauty isn't a competition, it's about what makes you feel good. Complimenting others and celebrating your own unique style creates a positive beauty community. When you feel good about your look, it shows, and that confidence is contagious. Choose trends that fit your life and boost your confidence. There's no need to follow every fad. Pick what resonates with you. Maybe you love a bold red for special occasions, or perhaps a subtle nude is your everyday go-to. The best trend is the one that feels right for you. Hacks are tools to experiment with, not pressures to follow. Try out new techniques like overlining or ombre lips just for fun. If you love the result, keep it. If not, wipe it off and try something else. Makeup is meant to be playful, not stressful. The best look is the one that makes you smile in the mirror. When you catch your reflection and feel happy with what you see, that's true beauty. It's not about perfection. It's about feeling comfortable and confident in your own skin. Try layering lipstick or adding gloss for your perfect lip. Mix and match shades to create a custom color, or add a touch of gloss for extra shine. There are no rules, just endless possibilities to explore and enjoy. The goal is your perfect lip for the day, not perfection. Some days you'll want a bold look. Other days, something soft and natural. Let your mood guide you, and remember that your lips are yours to celebrate however you choose. Feel great, whether for a party or a quick errand. Your lip look can be as simple or as glamorous as you want. What matters most is how it makes you feel. Confidence is the best accessory, and it shines through no matter where you're headed. Confidence in your skin is the timeless trend. No matter the year or the latest craze, feeling good about yourself never goes out of style. So wear your favorite lip, own your look, and remember, your pout is your power.